If you could give new attorneys a survival kit, what would be in it?
Well, I think the first thing that would be in it would be an understanding that they don't have to be perfect.
First thing would be a little slip of paper that says, don't be afraid to fail. This is a gravity sport. Now, I am a skier, and so when I used to be an instructor at Keystone, one of the things I would tell my students is you're going to fall down. That's part of the fun. And a lot of times we will go in and we're pretty hard on ourselves.
I'm going to share with y'all what one of the judges said at a lunch that I went to, is to look in the mirror every morning and say, I'd like to work with you. My hourly rate is $250, $300, $400, whatever your hourly rate is. Be ready to practice saying it to the client until you feel comfortable with it, because that's going to be key. You've got to keep your head above water financially to being able to survive.
If I could give new attorneys a survival kit, I would pack up a little teeny tiny mentor to give them.
I know when I started, there were other lawyers in the firm that, I established a comfort level with, that I could go to and visit with, either on legal issues or how to deal with a partner, or get suggestions or insights that would help me survive the situation.